Key metrics in Facebook and Instagram ads include reach, impressions, and engagement. Reach measures unique users who see your ad, while impressions count total views. Engagement tracks interactions like likes, comments, and shares. Understanding these metrics helps optimize ad spend, reveal audience behavior, and measure return on investment, transforming raw data into actionable insights for successful campaigns. Metrics are crucial in Facebook and Instagram ads for optimizing ad spend, revealing audience behavior, and measuring return on investment. They guide budget allocation, provide insights into audience interactions, and ensure data-driven decisions. In social media advertising, understanding metrics turns raw efforts into actionable intelligence, distinguishing successful campaigns from failures. Key metric categories in Facebook and Instagram ads include reach and impressions, which measure visibility and frequency. Engagement metrics track user interactions like clicks and shares. Conversion metrics monitor post-click actions such as purchases. Cost metrics calculate expenses per result, including cost per click, cost per 1,000 impressions, and return on ad spend, providing insights into financial efficiency. Reach measures the number of unique users who saw your ad, highlighting your campaign's audience size. Impressions count total ad displays, including repeated views by the same user, indicating exposure frequency. A growing gap between impressions and reach suggests increased ad frequency, crucial for understanding audience engagement and optimizing ad strategies. Click-through rate, CTR, is crucial for evaluating ad effectiveness. It measures the percentage of ad viewers who click through, ideally ranging from 1.5% to 3%. A CTR below 1% suggests creative or targeting issues, while above 3% indicates strong performance. Analyze successful ads to replicate their success. Cost. Per click, CPC, measures the average cost per ad click, crucial for budget efficiency. It ranges from 50 cents to $2. Cost per mila, CPM, indicates the cost per 1,000 ad impressions, vital for visibility-focused campaigns, typically ranging from $5 to $15. Both metrics guide spending strategies for brand awareness, traffic, and engagement. Conversion rate measures the percentage of clicks leading to actions like purchases or sign-ups, with benchmarks of 5 to 10% for e-commerce. Return on ad spend evaluates profitability, showing revenue per ad dollar spent. A return on ad spend of 4.5x indicates $4.50 earned per $1 spent. An 8% conversion rate and 4.5x return on ad spend in a campaign generated $9,000 from $2,000 spent. Engagement metrics go beyond clicks, encompassing post interactions like likes, comments, shares, and saves. High engagement indicates emotional resonance and community building. Video metrics, such as 3-second plays and average watch time, assess content appeal. Social proof through comments and shares extends reach and credibility, crucial for brand affinity and future campaign success. Frequency measures how often each person sees your ad, calculated by dividing impressions by reach. As frequency exceeds 3 to 4 views, click-through rate declines due to ad fatigue. To combat this, refresh creative every 7 to 14 days, expand audience size, or cap frequency at 3 to 4 impressions per user. Facebook's legacy 20% text rule, though not strictly enforced since 2021, highlights the effectiveness of minimal text in ads. Images grab attention quickly, and clean visuals feel less intrusive. Mobile users favor scannable content, and Facebook's algorithm rewards low-text ads. A/B testing shows minimal text ads achieve 47% higher reach and 32% better click-through rate. Accessing metrics in Facebook Ads Manager involves several steps. First, log into Facebook Business Manager and select Ads Manager. Choose your campaign, ad set, or ad to analyze. Customize columns to track specific metrics and set your date range for reporting. Finally, export reports as Excel or comma-separated values for detailed analysis. Instagram ads offer unique engagement metrics like profile visits, indicating strong brand interest, and saves, showing content value. Story interactions, including taps and exits, reveal ad sequence appeal. Focus on saves and profile visits for Instagram feed, and monitor completion rate and swipe up actions in stories to assess ad effectiveness. Data visualization is crucial for interpreting ad performance. Using graphs, you can track click-through rate improvements post-creative refresh, highlighting the impact of combating ad fatigue. Additionally, analyzing budget allocation and return on ad spend by campaign objectives like conversions and brand awareness helps in optimizing strategies and communicating results effectively to stakeholders. Ignoring ad frequency can lead to fatigue. Monitor weekly and refresh creative if it exceeds 3 to 4. Don't just focus on clicks, track conversions. High click-through rate is meaningless without conversions. Set cost per click and return on ad spend benchmarks to avoid budget waste. An e-commerce brand improved return on ad spend from 1.2 times to 5.8 times by focusing on conversions, not just clicks. Master your metrics to master your ads. Track key metrics consistently, making data-driven decisions to optimize campaigns. Start with core metrics like click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, and return on ad spend, ROAS, then delve deeper. Begin your journey by setting up a custom column view in Facebook Ads Manager and establish a weekly review routine for continuous improvement.